Every year I promise myself to do more outside activities, but for some reason I never get to it. But in 2024 I have been very intentional. So when my friend called me and told me that he wanted to go to Kilimambogo for a hike in preparation for a 6-day hike at Mount Kenya, I was sold. We boarded a matatu at Makongeni and it dropped us in a small town near Kilimambogo, so we had to trek for a few kilometers before we got to the gate. We made our payments, then we had breakfast, and we got to hiking. This is Azmina before the hike. We anticipated the hike to be about 4 hours to 6 hours because I don't hike, but my friend is a professional hiker, so he was going to pace himself with me. I'm one person who thrives in activities because it gets me out of my comfort zone. I also get to keep fit, my mind is fresh. So this hike was very important to me. I was planning a hike before my friend called me, but it kind of never got to happen. So this was very exciting. We did decide to take the long route because it was less hilly and also it was not a competition. We were just having fun and I wanted to take some photos and to enjoy the view and also catch up with my friend. Yeah. When ukipanda kanatokezea tu kingine.
Hii weather ndio ninataka inipate Mount Kenya. Kama hii.
Why?
Sitaki mvua.
Why? Oh wait, I can take photo and record at the same time. Cool. Very nice.
Pero tukana.
At this point, I was starting to get really tired and I wanted to go back. I wanted to go back down. I wanted to go home. But my friend kept encouraging me to keep going. Yeah. Aki mapenzi wewe nikikushika. Yeah? Wacha tu. No. How many minutes to go? 30 minutes. Oh my God. Strong. At this point, I realized that my gym injury to my hip was actually getting painful and it was getting harder for me to walk. Here I'm doing some stretches. It got better. I still wanted to go back home, but I also wanted to get to the summit.
Haya.
Unanifanyisha tu vitu. Finally, we are here. We are on top of the world. We are at the summit. I'm so excited. I'm happy. My friend advised me to remove my shoes and step on the ground. That grounding is very important after you have walked for a very long distance. This is Azmina at the summit. What's wrong? Why are you laughing at me? Fanya pombo ya. Yes. Hizi njugu zinaenda na everything. Then have this which is crushed. And then you smell. I'm done. Then we had some snacks, relaxed, took photos, and we started going back down.
3. So by 6. By 6:30 you should tunaanza kuwa hapo chini.
But gonna stop you.
Chakula kipi?
Food.
Food for the body.
Woo! Submitted.
And thanks to your guide.
Hello guide, do you want to be on my video? No.
Niakwira aria mari kienda. My last person ametoka hapa hii masaa.
Oh.
So we also need to make sure that by 6 if you're not camping, people are wanaanza kutoka. So together.
This was so exciting. One advice that I would give you, please have your own transport. I think going with a matatu is nice, but going back, it would have been much better to be in our own means. Yeah, please go with your own means. Yeah, you know them. Done. Done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Where are you guys hiking? How is your hiking journey? Do you plan on starting to hike? Yeah,